Okay, so we got this situation. The locus of foot of perpendicular drawn from center of the ellipse this. So the ellipse equation is x square plus 3y square equals 6. If you want to write down this thing in standard form, you can divide both sides by 6. So x square by 6 plus y square by 2 equals 1. Now if you remember the equation of tangent, okay, on any tangent, so we have to write down equation of tangent. So the equation of tangent was look like y equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. Try to recall, like if you remember it is okay, if you don't remember then you can again you can derive this situation. Okay, so they are talking about any tangent, so I'll go with the plus one. Okay, means according to me equation of tangent is y equals to mx plus root over a square m square plus b square. Okay, so this is equation of tangent. Now look at this. You know that it is horizontal ellipse as a is bigger. So can I write this thing? Like let's draw the diagram. Look at this. So we got our diagram. Now let's try to put tangent. Suppose this is the tangent. Okay. And from center you have to drop foot of perpendicular. Correct? So center is 0 comma 0. Okay. And this point I'll assume that to be h comma k. Okay, now you know that both lines are perpendicular. So can I say that the product of slope would be minus 1? So like I'll plot those points O, P. Okay, so can I say that slope of OP into slope of tangent will be minus 1 because both are perpendicular. So OP means what? K minus 0, H minus 0, and this is slope of OP, but the slope of tangent is what? M. So it is minus 1. So can I say that it is my equals minus of x? Correct? So we got this situation. Now you know that you guys have introduced h, k and m. So it is our responsibility to remove these things. Correct? So h and k to we have removed by replacing it by x and y. Now it's time to remove m. So in place of m, can I write minus of x by y? Okay, so our updated equation will look like y equals, in place of m I'll be writing x y minus of x by y into x plus root over a square. In place of m I'll write x square by y square plus b square. Comfortable? Now can I write y equals to minus of x square by y plus root over a square x square plus b square y square, and y will come outside? Correct? Now can I multiply both side by y? So we will have y square on left hand side, and can I ask x square to come this side? So x square will come this side, and we will have root over a square x square plus b square y square. Now suppose that we guys are not comfortable with root. So what we should do? We will go with square. Okay, squaring both sides. So can I write x square plus y square whole square equals to a square x square plus b square y square. Okay, so this is the required locus. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.